In this video, I'm going to show you how to import beats into Bandlab. So just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to bandlab.com. Now once the website opens, either sign into your account or log in if you already have one. Now after you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on the red button that says Create. Now from the menu, click on Create an Empty Project. Now the project will start loading, and after a few seconds, you'll see the Bandlab project editor. Now to import your beat, make sure the beat file is already saved on your computer. Now inside the project, look for the area that says drag a loop or an audio, MIDI, or video file. Now just click there or drag the file in. Now browse your computer, find your beat file, select it, and click Open. Now once you do that, your beat will be imported directly into your Bandlab project. And that's it. That's how you import beats into Bandlab. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.